Paul here, Paul Phillips Fix. I'm doing an alternator on an 08 Chevy Impala today. It's overcharging my system over 18 volts. First thing you got to do is remove this oil filler tube, take your engine cover off. Then there's two 10mm bolts over here to take your antifreeze reservoir off. Then you got to get this clip off. I believe you just squeeze on that. This one's cracked. I believe you got to depress it. Then that comes off. Then this is a 13 mil, and you have two more. You have a nut, two nuts down there. I think the other one might be a 13 as well. You might need a deep wall to get on that. Let me see if it's a 13. No, that's smaller. That looks like it might be a 10mm. And then the other one may be a 13 or a 15. We'll see as we go, okay? Now I got to take the serpentine belt off. Take your serpentine belt off. You got to take a 3/8 drive, get into that square notch on that arm, and then turn it in the clockwise direction, and it relieves the tension on the belt. Then you can pull the belt off of the pulley on the alternator, okay? I'm going to do that now. Okay, the belt's off.
Hopefully it doesn't fall off all the other shit.
Huh?
Hopefully it doesn't fall off all the other shit.
No, it won't. Now it's a 15 mil bolt here. You got to start loosening. Goes through the alternator. It's a long bolt in here. Let me get a short extension. Should get my power ratchet go quicker, you know. Should come right out anyway. Get yourself a magnetic tray or something to throw your parts in so you don't lose anything. It's always a good idea to have a magnetic tray around there. Great.
Where's yours? Okay.
Be careful not to break that power steering line, getting that out of there. Now I got to disconnect this lead. That I believe is a 13 mil. You want to look the torque specs up on this, you can. I'm just doing it by it feels right.
Feels right.
Huh?
Feels right, Paul.
I know what it is, yeah. I know what's ballpark, you know? You'll have a little rubber boot over this nut that you got to pull back. Like foreskin, you just got to pull it back. Now I got that one other bolt down on the side here. That nut that's got to come out, and then the other bolt below that. Or a nut. I think it might be a nut. Get it off probably with a deep wall socket. It's 10mm. I'm going to try not to drop this. I'm on gravel. I don't want to drop anything. Maybe I should get my little magnet, huh? Sorry if you can't see in here, guys. A little dark. Put that in there.
Should have one more.
There's a washer on there too. Gotta get that washer off. No, there's not a washer. It's a retainer. That's what it is. Here it is. Alright, there's a little retainer clip for, I believe, your power steering line there. I think this is a 15 mil. Let's see. Gonna have to get a deep wall on that again. That looks like a 15 mil. Let me go get a 15 mil. I put some rubber mats on the front of the car. Take a blanket or whatever and kneel up here. It seems like the best route to get to the back of the alternator there. Can't see anything trying to work around from the passenger side of the vehicle. Let me see if this is a 17 mil now. That's a big nut. This is the third alternator I'm throwing in this car, and I'm pissed off. I got TYC brand and they suck. This time I did not go with them. I bought one off of eBay, a remanufactured. Can't have any worse luck than this shit. This is ridiculous. That's not a 17. That's got to be a 15. 15 or 16. I was right the first time, guys. It's a 15 mil. My head's up my ass. I missed it the first time. I didn't get it on air right. Shit happens. I make mistakes. I'm old and senile now. I have an excuse. Half of my brain doesn't work anymore. And this hurts me. I'm too old for this shit. But I'm not cheap. I'm too poor to be taken to somebody else. I don't even know if this needs to come all the way out. I don't know if I need to take that bolt all the way off.
Oh, that seems like it's in there. Did you have to pry it out?
Yeah.
There's a bolt right here.
Another bolt?
Right here.
Oh, there's another one. No wonder it's not coming. All right, that's another 15. Yeah.
Too hard, not.
Yeah, to be that. Too solid. Get a regular. $13 and the 15.
When my cat went on that night, I said, what the fuck is it with me and cats?
With the catalytic converters?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell's up with that.
My
I don't even want to say it. You know what I mean? I don't want to say it. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it.
I mean, that one on that car has went through hell. I would think it would be the what do you call it? The O2 sensor before that, though.
Fucking asshole place they put this in, boy.
Yeah, yours isn't.
Huh?
That's in a fucked up place.
Fucked up position, right? Let me try to run it back. bitch getting around that power steering line too. You want me to do it?
Give it a little.
Let me see if that other bolt is holding it. That other bolt's holding it. Let me back that nut up. Oh, that nut on the back is holding it. Gotta move it back in. Got it? No. Give it a 15 deep. Alright, you gotta move your hands, Frank.
I'm gonna push it in, so. Okay.
Don't move it, don't move it. You sucking bastard, you. I'm not gonna rush because then I'll be losing shit. I don't know what you're doing.
What?
I don't know why you're even doing anything. Relax.
I'm holding it there.
It's not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah, honey.
Honey? She barking? Kid was going to sleep when I went outside. You fucking suck.
She ain't making a noise.
I'm getting my power ratchet. I'm not fucking killing myself here. I'm going to get my ratchet. Let me vape. Shut off what? Oh, it's on. Sorry I didn't film this. That retaining bolt in the back, you can't get out. You got to take the alternator with that out. You got to pry this up and out, then kind of walk the alternator around and out. It's a tight squeeze, but by manipulating it, you'll get it out without having to beat these up too bad, these lines. Just be patient, take your time. Make sure you put that bolt in the new alternator in the back before you lower that down in there, because you're not going to be able to get it in otherwise. And then start putting your retaining bolts back in. It's the reverse process of removing it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. And one thing I forgot to mention, my battery is disconnected. Make sure you disconnect your battery before you do this job, because you can blow shit up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe, and click that notification bell. Help our channel grow. And remember, take good care of your cars and they'll take good care of you. Good luck getting good parts, because I'm having a hard time. TYC Alternator Company, I will never buy another one of them from them again. I went through 3 of their goddamn alternators on this. That's ridiculous. The other one was a little bit over a year old, so I went with a $98 one off of eBay. I bet you I'll have better luck with this. Take care guys. Bye bye.